I'm meeting my friend today. 안녕하세요. It's been a while since we last met, and I feel excited. I greet them warmly. 오랜만이에요. Long time no see. I notice a smile on their face, and it makes me happy. Curious about their day, I ask, 오늘 기분이 어때요? How are you feeling today? They say they've had a busy morning, but now they are relaxed. We catch up. 뭐 하고 지냈어요? What have you been up to? I share my recent school projects, and they tell me about a new hobby they started. I suggest grabbing a coffee together. 같이 커피 마실래요? Shall we have a coffee together? They nod happily and we start walking toward the cafe. We decide on the time. 몇 시에 만날까요? What time shall we meet? I check my watch and we agree on 3 p.m. Next, we choose a place. 어디에서 만날까요? Where shall we meet? We pick a cozy cafe near the park. I confirm our plan. 좋아요. 그때 만나요. Great. See you then. It feels nice to have plans set and know exactly when we'll meet. As we part ways briefly, I remind my friend. 조심해서 와요. Come safely. Safety first. Finally, I smile and say 감사합니다. Meeting friends may seem simple, but each small phrase brings warmth to your day.